Hi guys, it's Macy again. Today we're going to be driving the Fendt 1042 Vario. I'm with Kent Shrock. He's our president of Plevna Implement. His grandfather actually is the founder of Plevna Implement. So he's going to give us a little bit of information on this 1042 Fendt tractor.
Kent Shrock, as Macy said, and welcome to Plevna Implement. We're proud to be doing business in the ag space. This is our 76th year in business, and we are a Fendt Massey Ferguson dealership. And today we're going to spend some time talking about the Fendt 1000 series tractor. Want to show you around. Come on. Okay, let's start at the back of the tractor. What is it about a Fendt tractor that entices you to want to be a buyer? This is a high-spec, high-quality product. You can see that firsthand with the hydraulic remotes on the back of this tractor. You can have multiple size couplers. There's 6 remotes with high-spec, high-volume flow to meet the needs of every implement on the market. The PTO drive is simple and easy from the transmission, very reliable, and up for the heaviest of challenges when it comes to PTO work. The heavy-duty 3-point hitch will lift just about any implement on the market. Let me tell you a couple other features about the Fendt tractor that you're not going to want to miss. All right, so every tractor has a 3-point hitch. What's so significant about the Fendt? Well, this has double-acting cylinders on the lift hitch. What does that mean for you as a farmer? That means you have pressure up and pressure down. Lifting on a 3-point hitch on other tractors is no problem because with the weight of the implement lifts and gives you power here when you go to lift. But what about when you're taking the implement off? You need power down in order to let that implement release. That's significant. Here's another quick application. What if you have to do tire repair on this tractor? Well, you can be smart about it. You can use the lift on your 3-point hitch to jack and lift the tractor up while you repair the tire. This is just one additional feature of a high-end, high-spec premium tractor that you don't get anywhere else. So this Fendt 1000 series tractor on our lot today is a 1042. That means it's 420 engine horse rated at 1700 RPM. What makes this a high-spec machine? It's a 6-cylinder, 12.4 liter engine with low rev RPMs and high torque. The max torque on this tractor is 1450 RPM. That means you're going to get great horsepower with the best efficiency on the market. Let's get up in the cab and show you what a premium life Fendt cab is all about. Come with me. Okay, before we get into all of the excellent features and options that is in the Fendt 1042 cab, let's talk about the transmission for a second. This is what makes a Fendt tractor so special. The transmission is so smooth because it has stepless speed control from 0 to 35 miles an hour. What does that mean? No clutches, no additional repair items, the most smooth to drive transmission on the market. It means equal power. That means at 1 mile an hour, you're using simple power, whereas at full power, you're using mechanical power, and you're shifting that power over the hydraulic power and the mechanical power over that speed range as efficiently as possible. So to control the transmission and to make your experience smooth for driving, you click the trigger on the back of the joystick and push forward and hold to speed up incrementally. In order to slow the tractor, you pull back on the tractor and hold in order to slow gradually. Once you come to a complete stop, then you can let the joystick return to neutral. In order to speed up and slow down faster, you can change positions on the lever on the left, and that will make you start and stop more abruptly. The higher position that you go, you will speed up and slow down faster, and slow down faster when pulling back on the lever. Return to the lowest setting at low miles an hour, and you will speed up and slow down the most gradual. The Vario transmission allows you to control speeds independent of engine speed. If you decide that you want to go 6.2, you can set one of your cruise control settings by simply pushing the button, and it will move the tractor to 6.2 miles an hour. If you want to speed up to road speed, for instance, you could push C1 and that will move the tractor speed up to 34.2. Operator control is critical in this tractor. Knowing how to operate the tractor, any big tractor for that matter, is important. But having the ease to do it is something that's specific with Fendt. Let me show you a great example. This tractor has tractor management system. That allows you to engage the controls for the Vario transmission. But let's say you wanted to operate the tractor with foot pedal mode, much like a car. It's a simple push of the button exercise to turn on the foot pedal. Now you push down the foot pedal to go faster and you let off the foot pedal to go slower. Exactly like a car. That can be used for safety, that can be used for applications where the operator is doing multiple tasks inside the cab. It's just another feature that Fendt offers that no one else does. So I mentioned the nice feature of the double acting lift cylinders on the 3-point hitch. This tractor is full of different features. Let me show you one that I really like. Check out this button, foot button down here on the floor. You see that? That button is an exhaust brake. What does that mean? Well, let's say you're driving the tractor and you're doing 30 plus miles an hour down the road with a load, and you need to come to a stop at a stop sign. Simply click the foot pedal and hold the foot pedal down, and it will exhaust brake the engine to help slow the tractor more naturally. This is a big deal, particularly if you have a large implement on the back that's loaded. Saves on the brakes and it saves on wear and tear on the tractor. Isn't that a great feature?